I tried making Indonesian fried rice, but something totally unexpected happened. Was it a win or a disaster? Well, we will see. Stick around because you're about to see how this simple mince, some chili, and a few secret ingredients turn into the most flavor-packed fried rice. And trust me, by the end, you will either be craving a plate or wondering what on earth I just did. Hi everyone, حالتون چطوره? That means how are you in Farsi? Welcome back to my kitchen. Today's video is extra special because it's part of an international food collab with some of amazing YouTube friends. Together we are traveling to Indonesia through food, and I will be making one of their most delicious, popular and famous dishes, nasi goreng or fried rice with beef. They have each made their own delicious Indonesian recipes, so definitely check them out. Down in the description box you will find the links to my friend's channel as well. It's actually my first time cooking this dish and I'm so excited to share the process with you. Here are the ingredients for my beef fried rice. All the exact measurements is written down in description box. We start with some beef mince, honey or maple syrup. You can use red or white onion here, whichever you have. Just make sure it's finely diced. For flavor, I'm using either shrimp paste or fish sauce. And dark soy sauce, eggs, some crispy fried onions, garlic, grated or in paste form, fresh red or green chili, finely chopped, 1 beef cube, and of course the real star of this dish is the rice. Make sure it's cold and cooked rice. So cook it ahead of time and let it chill in the fridge. That way each grain stays separate and fries up beautifully, giving the dish that perfect texture we all love. And as a side dish we need cucumber, spring onions and tomatoes. And a wok pan. Okay, let's fire up the wok. A little vegetable oil, medium heat. In goes the beef mince. Let it set for a minute. Don't stir too soon because we want that nice crust. Okay, now grab your spoon and start breaking it up, little by little. Keep stirring and tossing until all the pieces are coated in that hot oil. The mince should turn from pink to a rich golden brown. Do you see how it's sizzling? That's exactly what we want. That sound is flavor happening right here. That's when you know the beef is ready for the next step. Perfect. Just look at the color. Absolutely perfect. And the smell? Honestly, if you could smell this through the screen, you would already be hungry. Now toss in the diced onion and chopped chili. Let everything sizzle together in the wok for a moment so the aroma fills the kitchen. Give it a little stir with your spoon, tossing the onion and chili with the meat so they start to soften. Just look at the onion turning translucent. Keep stir frying for a few more minutes until everything's beautifully mixed and ready for the next step. Time for garlic. Trust me, adding it now hits differently. The aroma is unreal. Pretty sure my neighbors already know what I'm cooking. Okay, now for the secret flavor bomb, shrimp paste or fish sauce. I know, it's got a funky smell, but trust me, it gives the dish this rich, complex flavor that ties together the sweet, sour, salty, and spicy. Then I add the beef cube and a drizzle of honey or maple syrup, just enough to balance the saltiness. Stir fry everything together until it's all combined and smelling amazing. Alright, Time for the real star of the show. The rice, cold and cooked and ready to jump into the wok, along with splash of soy sauce. And here is where the magic really happens. We toss, we flip, we stir, and then we do it all over again. After just 4 or 5 minutes, the rice soaks up every bite of that flavor and turns into this gorgeous golden color. The best part? The texture stays nice and fluffy, not sticky, exactly how fried rice is meant to be. Before I plate up, I prepared side dishes. Cucumber, tomato, sliced up fresh and simple, nothing fancy, just enough to cut through the richness of the rice. A little oil in the pan, eggs go in, sunny side up. Last touch, the plate's full of nasi goreng, and now a little sprinkle of crispy fried onion on top. Simple, but it makes all the difference. Add sunny side up egg, sprinkle of fresh green onions for adding vibrant color, and some slices of cucumber and tomato. Time to give it a taste. It's so delicious. It's so delicious, so flavorful. Those soy sauce, fish sauce, and honey make a beautiful balance and just very nice and comforting dish. I loved it. One more. By the way, Nusha Jan, or as they say in Indonesian, Selamat Makan. Will you try this recipe at home? Or maybe you have a secret recipe for yourself. I would love to hear about it. If you enjoyed cooking with me today, please hit the like button and subscribe if you have not already. And drop a comment down below in comment section. Thank you very much for spending time with me today. Until next one, take care, God bless, and lots of love. Khodafez.